take a look at this problem. We got, so making my tablet to work. There it goes. Negative 3 times x plus 7 equals 5 times x minus 2. Okay, let's go through our 4 steps. Our first step is to get rid of parentheses, and we do that via the distributive property. So we'll take this negative 3 here, multiply it times our first term times the x, and multiply it times our second term times the 7. And then we'll take this 5 and multiply it times our first term, which is the x, and then times our second term, which is the negative 2. Okay, so I'm going to have negative 3 times x and negative 3 times 7. I'll have 5 times x, and I'll have 5 times negative 2. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times 7 is negative 21. 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Step 2. Let's see, get rid of fractions. Don't have any. Step 3. Get everything with an x on one side, numbers on the other side. So I'm going to take this 5x and move it to the left side. And I'll take this negative 21 and move it to the right side. Now remember, when you move anything across for equals, your sign changes. So the positive 5x becomes a negative 5x. The negative 10, or the negative 21, becomes a positive 21. Okay, our note says to combine like terms in a step. Negative 3x and negative 5x gives us negative 8x. And to combine numbers, negative 10 plus 21 gives us 11. Step 4. Divide both sides by the number in front of your x. Well, number in front of our x is a negative 8, so I'm going to divide both sides by negative 8. So I got negative 8x divided by negative 8 equals 11 divided by negative 8. Now the negative 8's cancel on the left side, and we get x equals negative 11/8. Doesn't matter where you put the negative. You can leave it on the bottom, you can put it up on top, or even out in front. But that's our answer.